car covered in bees.
La 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 la.
The weather is perfect for camping in the mountains today.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
The bees! A beehive just fell on my head! Go away! Go away! I can't see anything! Help! Help!
Welcome to the TinkerBot repair shop.
What?
Bees! Why are there so many bees here? Wait! What happened? I need to chase the bees away first. Let me try this tool.
TinkerBot, please help! Hurry and chase the bees away!
This way doesn't work. I need a stronger tool. Yes, it worked. All the bees are gone. Now let's clean off all the honey. Vehicle size, medium. Dirt level, super dirty. Dirt type, honey. First, rinse with water. Then scrape off the sticky honey. Now add some bubbles. Rinse again with clean water. Blow dry with hot air. Oh no! There's a dent here. I need to fix it. Now wax and polish. Wipe it clean. All done. You look brand new.
Wow, I look like new now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Next time, be careful when driving under trees.
Thanks for the reminder. I'll keep traveling now. Maybe I'll go to the beach this time.
A beach trip sounds great. No bees there. Bye. Have a happy trip.
Bye-bye, TinkerBot.